Now, this is another episode of your favorite channel, Educational Doug. Now, my name is Anthony, just to let you know. I'm Anthony, and I'm here in Educational Doug. Now, no time to talk. We need to get to our math. Here's our problem. This is addition level 2, okay? Now, always we need somebody to help us. So, we already introduced this guy in another one. Digital Warrior 08! We introduced him in part 1, too, because it's always good to have a smart robot like him to be around when helping you when doing your problems. He also has a speaker, so he can dance around. Yeah, let's get back to math. Actually, we sell this guy. You can get the link in the description below. Now, and here he is. So his name is Digital Warrior 08. Now, hi, buddy. Yeah, it actually doesn't do this, but I added the editing effects. And hi, so how happy are you to be here for level 2?
I'm really happy to be here.
Yeah, you probably already said. He said he is, let's just say he's thrilled to be there here, okay? So, let's go. Now, you can help us with the magic, right? Like to change everything, right? Yeah, you said yes. Okay, addition level 2. Mary bought 3,239 sunflower seeds. After running out of seeds, she bought 1,321 more. How many seeds did Mary buy in total? Let's do this. This is gonna be fun, okay? So we're gonna put 3,239 plus 1,000, comma. Of course, you can't forget your comma. Without that, you're done. You're not done, but it makes it easier for you to see. Here we go. 9 plus 1, simple, 10. 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5, of course. 3 plus 1 is 4. Comma, don't forget it. So the answer is 4,560. That's our answer. 4,560. Now, Robbie, Digital Warrior 08, please do your magic again. Please, just make your magic and just make like how I ended before. Do you remember? You just made all this change so we can just do a different addition problem. Can you do that? Please.
Yes, sir, I'm happy.
Yeah, he said yes, he'll go do it, okay? Whoa, Robbie, your magic Digital Warrior 08, your magic really made things go weird. Wow, you're the best magician in town. What do you have to say about that?
Well,
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Math time. Digital Warrior 08 has 10,309 bricks to sell. He bought 9,230 more to sell. How many bricks does he have in total to do? Okay, let's go do this thing. 10,000. Yay. Now, 9 plus 0, simple, 9. 0 plus 3, we do 3. That's our answer. 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 0 plus 9 is 9. 1 plus nothing is 1. 1 plus 0, So, we need our comma right here. Right there. Our comma. Right there. Now, to help you, every 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3, then you add a comma there, just to let you know, help you. Like, let's say you have a huge number. I'll do an example. Let's finish this up first. So it's 19,539. That's our answer. Now, I'll show you an example. Come on. Now, in case you're having difficulty of when to put your commas, here's a big number. I'll just do a big one. Let's do this. This is like This is just one more, and now it becomes a million. I mean, so this is 3 zeros. Now, every 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3, or 3 1s, 3 9s, three numbers, you add this our little friend here called comma. His name's comma. Meet comma. Meet comma. Yeah, he's really excited to be here. Even though you couldn't understand him because he talks in comma voice. So let's put another him here. 1, 2, 3. Now we put another him here because we gotta add some commas. So 1 million has exactly 2 commas, just to help you. So how are you happy today? What are your plans for all these numbers? Even though you couldn't understand him, I could understand him. He really is happy he says he's ready to go into billions and millions and Googleplexes and all that. So, now I think it's time to end this with a nice dance!